I stopped chasing AdSense monetization, and you should stop it too. I'll tell you a reason why. Now, I know you know AdSense is something that makes some money for some people, and for some, it makes a lot of money. There are people who've become rich through AdSense. So, why should you stop chasing after it? And for anybody who may not know what AdSense monetization is, let me briefly explain to you. You make content on YouTube, and YouTube shows advertisements, and they charge for those advertisements. So whether you like it or not, advertisements are going to be shown on your videos. But if you're qualified for AdSense monetization, those videos that are shown, or those advertisements that are shown during your videos, the money that they make, YouTube shares some of the money with you. That's good, isn't it? So why should you stop chasing after that? The first thing is, to qualify to get paid by YouTube through AdSense, you've got to have 1,000 subscribers. Do you have them? I don't have them on this channel. And on my other channel that I have, it literally has taken me years and years to get 1,000 subscribers. That's one. Two, the second qualification criteria that you should have is that your videos must have been watched 4,000 hours. Do you have people who've watched your videos for 4,000 hours? No, I haven't qualified for that in any of my channels. Some that have taken years, and this that is here for some months now. I'm not close. I'm not even a 5th% of what qualifies me for 4,000 hours. So I'm not looking forward to be paid through AdSense soon, unless the videos change the average viewed hours that people are watching, and they grow, they become more. Or maybe I have a viral video that gathers a lot of watch hours in such a short time. And also from the now, please note that I have made a lot of videos, over 600 videos, and I haven't got 1,000 subscribers and those 4,000 hours. I have about 500 and something subscribers and maybe 30 watch hours. So to get that qualification takes time. And you don't have to be qualified for AdSense for you to make some money. You don't have to wait for YouTube to make you money so that you can make some money. That's why you shouldn't be chasing after that. You should, at this moment, if you don't have those hours, you don't have those subscribers, you should start looking for other ways to make money before AdSense comes. So you don't even have to pay attention to how AdSense is performing for you, or how close you are to be paid by AdSense. And there are very many ways to make money through YouTube, apart from AdSense. If you'd like me to talk about some of the ways to make money through YouTube, please leave a comment, and I'll go into depth of some of the ways to make money using YouTube. If you've been making money through YouTube and you are not having AdSense, then please also let us know the ways that you've been making some money from YouTube without having AdSense. And even for those people who have been making money through AdSense, but they have other things they are doing, other ways that they are making money from YouTube, I've heard their report, and they say that the AdSense money, which could be a lot of money to them and to you and to other people, the AdSense money that they receive from YouTube is just a fraction of the amount of money they make from other sources of income using YouTube. Cool, isn't it? So you don't have to go chasing after being monetized. on AdSense. You can make your money waiting for AdSense to catch up with you at whatever time that is going to catch up with you. So let's do it. Let's stop chasing after AdSense, being qualified to earn from AdSense. Let's not. We may talk about it when we reach that goal. Yes, it's a goal. Should be a goal for you, but then shouldn't have to be your first priority goal. Yeah, let's look for the other ways to get money from the first video, from the first subscriber. So AdSense shouldn't be your number one. We can do it, and yes, we can. I have put in the description some of the ways that I'm making the money, or you can see from my bio the links that are there, some of the ways that I'm making some money, and I can talk in depth about them. So let me know if you'd like me to do so. And yeah, hey, have you subscribed to this channel yet? Please do, so that we get closer to be paid by AdSense, however many months they are going to take or years. It will count towards getting to that goal. It's a good goal because there is some money, and there could be a lot of money, but you don't have to wait for it. So I'm your friend Anthony Mwirore, and yeah, let's keep growing on YouTube. And AdSense doesn't have to be the story of the day. There could be bigger stories to tell. There could be bigger ways to make money on YouTube or from YouTube without having AdSense. Cool, isn't it? That's all for now. Yeah, let me remind you, please subscribe, share with your friends, watch more of my videos to get to 4,000 watch hours,